Hey guys, it's Sarah with the Gimpy Jeep Guy. This is the buggy. He's actually going to be using it in Delta Rock Crawl this weekend, coming up Memorial Weekend. There's the Jeep.
Hey guys, welcome to the first annual Off-Road Car Show and Swap Meet. We're here for this inaugural event. It's coming out, put on by Dixie 4-wheel drive, Trail Hero, and just having a great time. Got a good turnout, trying to sell some parts, get some stuff out of my garage, and beautiful weather, beautiful day. So we're here.
That's Ryder. She's not feeling well. Then we got Towmater right here. This is actually an FC that was turned into a tow truck. It used to be one of these. This is a tour bus. That was actually one of the first tour buses. That was in Yellowstone. Towmater was built from there. And now it is over 100 years old and still towing. CJ3A on the back. Fully restored, beautiful vehicle. This tour bus right here is an old Zion Jeep tour bus. It is an FC170. Just an amazing rig. These are all owned by Steve Maxwell, an MX2. This little waggy is also one of Steve's. Beautiful little waggy. Now, one thing you guys don't know, MX2 is known for their 6-door Jeeps. And if you could see just right through here, right there, that's actually a 6-door JL. This is what Steve's known for. He is an amazing builder and fabricator. He does an amazing job. And then one of his tow rigs is this big old Bahama Mama right here. These are just amazing vehicles inside and out. He does such a great job. The back end of this little Aggie. And let's look at the little CJ3A here. This has been restored. This is a little off of the Normandy blue that they were supposed to be, but it's still a really pretty color. But it's all stock, even with the standard steering wheel and everything. Beautiful, beautiful Jeep. And of course, the Gimpy Jeep Guy has to be in with Jeeps, right? So one Jeep that you guys don't see very often is a Willys. This is actually David's. It is a 1951 Willys Jeep truck. It does have a Chevy drivetrain in it, but everything as far as the frame and everything goes is all original, besides the drivetrain. Alright guys, well, it's nice seeing you guys, and we will catch you later. Have a good one.